One of the main features of React.js is that we can use JSX with React. JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript, and the reasons why most of people feel comfortable using JSX are that it can use HTML tags and it has a good readability. So we have a piece of JSX here, and when this JSX is compiled, these expressions become JavaScript function using bubble loader. Compared to JavaScript, it has better readability and it's easier to write with HTML tags. Let's take a look at some rules of writing JSX. As I said, we can use HTML tags, but the compiler will complain that we didn't wrap in an enclosing tag. So make sure that JSX element is enclosed in the container element. And next, I added a horizontal row, but the compiler says JSX contents contain unterminated code. So make sure closing all the tags. If you want to use JavaScript expression, you can use curly braces. And let's see how to style the component in JSX. We can use a style attribute to style, but using class name and applying style is recommended. If you want to use style attribute, we can create a JavaScript object which consists of camel-cased properties and apply to the style attribute. To apply class, use the class name attribute for it.